The once peaceful air is now turning thick with tension at the appearance of such intense Pokémon. The stage is set and the curtain is up. The sun's rays have suddenly intensified. It's pouring rain in the Colosseum. A heated battle is unfolding in the Colosseum. Huntail starts to attack. A fierce blow. The red corner barely holds on. The air in the Colosseum is tense. Seared by Solarbeam. Taken down by an intense blow. Cradily is sent out. The red corner has the lead when comparing the number of remaining Pokémon, but the battle has just begun. A fierce blow. It's a direct hit. Its special defense rose. Cradily restored its health. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. Who's going to take the glory? Hit by Lava Plume. It's down and out. Seviper is sent out. The Colosseum is burning with excitement. Hit by Lava Plume. A huge amount of damage. It's down. The results are in. It's a total victory for the red corner.